the bifurcations, that means the two divisions, that is
Ma'am,
in order and not in order question type. So in order question type is that question type which goes in order. That means, let's say you have a paragraph, okay, you have a passage where there are four paragraphs. Please, can you write down in your notebooks A, B, C, D, E? Assume there are these paragraphs A, B, C, D, E, and you have five questions underneath. उसके नीचे five questions हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you are able to find out the answer of question number fourth in B part itself, in section B itself, so you will find the answers of question number 1, 2, 3 above that only, not beneath it, not underneath. उसके नीचे नहीं मिलेगा, उसके ऊपर ही मिलेगा. Is this point clear to you? Everybody, you can raise your hands. Some are still struggling. Shreya, Vishweshwar. Okay, okay, okay. Minakshi, is it clear to you? It's clear to maximum.
Please repeat once again.
Yeah, I get that. Okay. So it will be like you will be getting a passage. Okay. So in that passage, guys, please, I would advise you can send the thumbs up and avoid, sending the raised hand. Reason being, it's not going. Okay. So it's right on my screen and it's disturbing me. Okay. So I would like to state here is that you would be getting, let's say, in order question. So what is the beauty of in order question? Why it is easier? Let's say you have four paragraphs, okay, in a passage, and there are 5 6 questions which are given to you from that paragraph. Now you might be struggling, let's say, if you do not know the answers, and the answer of question number fourth, if the answer of question number fourth is in second paragraph, okay, so you will find the answers of question number 1, 2 and 3 in the paragraphs above it, not below it. So that means it will shorten your search process, it will abbreviate, matlab it will shorten your search process. You will not have to find out the answer in the paragraphs underneath it. This is the beauty of in order question type. So we have already done in order question types like short answer question. Yes, Meenakshi, speak up.
In that case, we should attempt question number four first, like four or fifth
Yes,
first.
it's not like we are attempting question number fourth first. You know what will happen? Let's say they will give you 5 questions. Okay, you are having 6 questions. Assume. Okay,
Mm.
now there is a question in
Mm.
which there is year mentioned or some name mentioned. So you will be able to spot that question in the answer of that question in the paragraph very easily. Let's say 1929,
Yeah.
let's say name of somebody. So if you have found out in which paragraph the answer of question number fourth or fifth is there, and if you know the paragraph and you know this is a short answer, or let's say in order question type, so you will know all the answers above this particular question are above that paragraph in which I have seen the answer. Clear? Okay. Chetan, you wish to ask something?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanna ask you that this is the same procedure on
Same for
general,
all.
yeah.
The
This is
strategies
for
are same
academics.
for everybody.
Oh,
Only the paragraph toughness
okay, ma'am.
varies. In academic, it's little more tough.
Okay,
Okay? Yes.
okay, okay, ma'am. But if you are underline the keyword, so we will find on the whole
I will,
paragraph this
please
answer.
wait
Yeah.
for me to complete that part. Okay? I will come to every single thing. Okay?
Okay.
Don't you worry about it. I'll make you solve the passages. Okay? We will be solving the passages as well. Do not worry at all. Okay? So right now, I understand your curiosity to understand everything, and you should not miss out on things. But let me go with the pace. Okay. So it's like this point I want to make clear that in order questions are easy and why they are easy. I hope everybody has understood. Now you can have that thumbs up icon or smiley, whatever it is. Please, yeah, done. Okay, I can see all the names. Okay, nobody left. Huh? All right, fine. Now, if I talk about not in order question, and what were those questions? Pick two or three, paragraph location, matching. I hope you wrote them down, right? So what will happen if those questions are non-matching, or they are not in order question type? You will struggle to find out the answer. Let's say question number first answer is given in the last paragraph, and question number two answer is given in the first paragraph. So you will struggle in between the paragraphs. It will consume hell lot of time. So our strategy would be devised in a way that we will solve in order question type first and not in order question types later. So that even if at all we miss a question because of the time constraint, we should be able to at least click the important part, the easy one, so that we are getting the marks ultimately. Otherwise, if you get lost in not in order question type, neither you are able to find out the answer of that, nor you are able to find out the answer of the easy ones. So you miss out on both the sides. So let's be sure the probability of score should be high, not low. Okay, and this will ensure this part. Now, not in order, as it is clearly stated, the identification process is normally easier with these question types. Scan passage for keywords, like question number 1 answer is in paragraph 4 and answer for question number 2 is in paragraph 2. So this specific question strategy you will have to apply, which I am going to reveal ahead. So there would be different application strategy for not in order and different strategies for in order. Okay, but as of now what I have told you, that reading has these many questions, it is progressively difficult, these many marks. Okay, and this much time you would be having, let's say 20 20 20 for 3 sections. Okay, and there would be two parts, that is in order and not in order. And you know that what all questions fall in order and what all questions fall in not in order. And there is another section which I have mentioned, that is mainly in order. That means 80% of the time the questions will be in order of that category. But there can be a probability that that question comes in not in order. Okay? All right. Now see this. And I'm gonna zoom step by step. Is it clearly evident to you guys? Okay. Now, can you see question number 4? Answer the questions below. Choose no more than 3 words and a number, or a number. That means it clearly showcases it is short answer, because they are asking you not to write more than 3 words. And which question category is short answer? Can you please type that in the chat box? Short answer question type falls under which category? Do not unmute, write in the chat box, everybody. Request all of you to be muted, please. Flora, mute, please. In order. Very nice. My students are very intelligent. Quite quick-witted. Quick-witted means बड़ी जल्दी समझ लेते हैं. They understand very quickly. Quick-witted. All right. Now, let me show you this. Can you see this part? Which question type is this, by the way? Please write down in the chat box. I am zooming it up for you so that you can understand. Please read through the instructions. Very, very, very important. You need to read through the instructions in order. Okay. Summary question, that's okay, Abhishek. Summary question falls under which category? Yes, Abhishek. Only Abhishek is right and Shreya is right. Abhishek and Shreya are right. Rest all are wrong. Minakshi is right. Yes. This is mainly in order, guys. Haste produces waste. Do not be in a hurry. जल्दी का काम हमेशा खराब का होता है. Haste produces waste. Yes, it is mainly in order. That means there would be chances that the questions are not in order. Okay, please be very mindful about it because I am revealing the strategies for your good. Do not use them against yourself. Okay? Now, what is this? Which question type is this, guys? Quite evident. What is the name of the question? In order, Rashmi ji. Okay. By the way, which question type is this? If it is in order? In order, multiple. Perfect, Abhishek. Yes. Multiple questions. Yes. It's not yes, no, Rashmi ji. No. They will clearly state in the instruction that it is yes, no, not given. It is multiple question in order. Yes. Right, everybody. Nice. Now, if we have a look, have a glance at this question type. What is this question type, guys? Now, Rashmiji, what will you say? So there are 16 students in the class. I expect that you all are crystal clear with what I am teaching. Yes, yes, no, in order. Yes, no, yes, yes, no, or not given. This is the question type. Okay, so it is in order. Very nice. So, why am I showcasing these questions to you? So that the moment you see the questions in your final examination, you should not struggle to understand that which question type is this. Ma'am told us that there are two categories and these are the bifurcations, but you should be able to understand at a single glance. Okay, this is the question type and I need to attend this first because ma'am told us clearly that in order question types are easy and we will be able to find them in a quite simple way. Okay, all right. Now, what question type is this? Although I've taken an imitation of the same, it's not exactly the way it comes. It is because I was struggling to find out an image for the same. So I have just utilized a random one. But this is flowchart. Which question type is flowchart? Flowchart, flowchart. Please do not post your answers without having a glance. Always in order? Okay. How about heading question? How about heading question? Rashmi ma'am, do you wish to speak? In order, in order, in order. All right.
Ma'am, in order.
Yes, perfectly fine. You can mute yourselves. Okay. So now we know this is heading question because our instruction itself says that choose the correct heading. I am in class demo recording. Please, please. So, okay. Now we can see this, right? The next one. We did this. Now. Okay. Which question type is this? I might give you some repetitive ones. Not in order, Rashmiji. Really not in order. You're wrong to say that. It's mainly in order. No, Minakshi, it's not fill in the blanks. It was to trick you and you got tricked. They can give you two summary. Summary question. Summary is what? Mainly in order. Right, Minakshi? Now clear? Okay. So, yeah, better now. Okay. So, I will try to fool you up. Do not get confused. Next is here. Complete each sentence with the correct ending. What kind of question type is this? What question type? Sentence completion. Very good. And which category does this fall into? Mainly in order. Right? So blessed to have intelligent students. And two more have joined today. Okay, like Minakshi and Soumya, they wish to attend it. All right. Now, what kind of question type is this? Not in order. People are writing not in order. Okay. Okay. Yes, it is paragraph location. So it is not in order. Very nice. Okay. Now, which question type is this then? Wait a moment.